Did you know that the way you spend your money in retirement will lead to one of these two outcomes? It will either make you happier or it will leave you feeling empty. The truth is that most people think that buying more things will bring them joy, but research shows that's a big mistake. The excitement of a new purchase fades fast. But experiences, on the other hand, well, they actually grow in value over time, leaving you with deeper happiness and richer memories. So, I can hear you shouting down the camera at me. How can I spend my money wisely in retirement to maximize joy, Dan? Or something like that. Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm diving into the science of happy spending, backed by psychology, research, and timeless wisdom. As you step into retirement, your hard-earned savings should be used in ways that bring the greatest joy and fulfillment. The age-old debate between spending on material possessions versus experiences has been once and for all settled by modern psychology. And the winner is spending on experiences provides deeper, long-lasting happiness than buying things. This sketch of mine illustrates this principle. While the joy of purchasing material things fades over time, the joy of experiences tends to grow. But why is this the case? So let's explore the research and wisdom that supports this idea. Dr. Elizabeth Dunn and Michael Norton, in their book Happy Money, The Science of Smarter Spending, provide compelling evidence that money spent on experiences leads to greater well-being. They outline 5 big reasons why experiences provide lasting joy. Reason number 1 is experiences create stronger social bonds. Humans are social creatures, we all know that, and experiences often involve friends, family, or new people we meet. These social connections are one of the strongest predictors of happiness in later life. Number 2 is that memories appreciate over time. Unlike material goods that wear out or become outdated, experiences become cherished memories that can be recalled and enjoyed indefinitely. Number 3 is experiences form part of our identity. While we may quickly forget a new gadget, experiences shape who we are. Travel, learning, and engaging in meaningful activities contribute to personal growth and fulfillment. Number 4 is anticipation enhances joy. Looking forward to an experience, such as a trip or a concert, brings excitement and happiness even before it happens. This is known as positive anticipation, which research actually shows is often more pleasurable than waiting for a material purchase. Number 5 is less buyer's remorse. We tend to compare material things, wondering if we've got the best deal or if something better exists. Experiences, on the other hand, are unique, making us less likely to regret spending money on them. Another famous study by Thomas Gilovich, a psychology professor at Cornell University, found that people experience more enduring happiness from experiential purchases than from material goods. His research concluded that material things provide only temporary pleasure due to a phenomenon called hedonic adaptation, which more simply means that we quickly get used to new things and they stop making us happy. On the other hand, experiences provide much longer lasting joy because of 3 crucial factors. Firstly, they involve personal growth and self-discovery. Secondly, they enhance storytelling and shared moments with others. And thirdly, they allow us to relive them mentally, reinforcing happiness over time. The idea that experiences bring more happiness than possessions is not new. Throughout history, great thinkers have emphasized this truth. Aristotle believed that true happiness comes from engaging in activities that fulfill our potential, rather than accumulating wealth or possessions. Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, warned against the fleeting nature of material wealth and urged people to invest in wisdom and meaningful experiences. The Buddha taught that attachment to material things leads to suffering, while experiences like meditation, travel, and learning bring deeper contentment. So let's get to the bit that you've been waiting for. 5 practical tips to maximize your happiness with your money. Tip number 1 is travel and explore. Seeing new places and cultures enriches life and creates memories that will stay with you forever. Tip number 2 is to invest in learning. Take up a hobby, join a class, or learn a new skill. Intellectual engagement keeps the mind sharp and fosters joy. Tip number 3 is to prioritize time with loved ones. Instead of buying expensive gifts, treat your family or friends to shared activities like a weekend getaway, a concert, or a nice meal. Tip number 4 is to support meaningful causes. Giving back through volunteering or donating to causes that align with your values brings a deep sense of fulfillment. And tip number 5 is to savor small joys. A sunset, a walk in nature, or a heartfelt conversation can really bring more happiness than any material purchase. My stand up and take note piece of advice is this. In retirement, the goal is not just to manage your money, but to use it to enhance the quality of your life. Research, history, and wisdom all point to this same conclusion. Spending on experiences brings deeper, more lasting joy than accumulating things. So, as you map out your retirement spending, ask yourself this very, very important question. Will this bring me a story to tell, a memory to cherish, or a connection to others? If the answer is yes, then it's likely it will be money well spent.